for winter.
We're here able to review a couple products. We've got the Noble House Cape Coral Khaki Aluminum Firepit conversation set. It comes with 2 armchairs and this couch without a kid in it, another chair, and then here is
and without a daddy in it.
And without that. And so we got a concrete box, a light concrete box that houses a propane cylinder, and then this fire table is
Guess
beautiful.
What? Right here around the fire is actually really cool. Just the fire part is really hot, and that's actually lava rocks.
And so we've got lava rock in it. You don't have to have rock in there, or you could do it with glass. Would look great. Oh, well, hi Rex. You're supposed to be in bed too. This is just as easy as using your grill. Check this out. You got an adjustment. Can you see that? It's dark, but you got low. You got a little higher, right? And you've got just an electric igniter. So if you come over and you want to light up your fire, it's as easy as turning it, hitting your igniter.
Oh, wow.
And there we go. It's nothing at all. And we like it hot.
It surprises some kids sometimes.
So we've got, that is the Cape Coral Khaki Conversation set. I gotta show you a couple things. Aluminum chairs weigh almost nothing. They've got plastic feet, you can see, and all hardware is stainless aluminum and blocky plastic. So inside it screws together into huge plastic blocks so that it will never corrode.
Can I tell them something? So it's blue even.
And then we've got our khaki cushions. These are cool. They Velcro together, and they also have a zipper. You can take these off and wash them. And if it's time at the end of the season to put everything away, they weigh almost nothing. So, and you can just pick it up, put it away. Anybody, whoop, tip it over.
Maybe a vice.
Anybody can put that away.
A vice. Use 2 hands lifting.
And then we've got the Carlton Red Home Decorators Indoor-Outdoor Rug. Beautiful. I love it.
I have a question. Why isn't there any panel?
Why isn't there a what?
A panel right here.
Like what?
On here. Like a panel to keep this away from kids.
Oh, we just turn off the gas when it's just you out here.
Hey, really? Can I tell you something? The fire is blue, and also, don't put your hand to don't put your hand.
Advice from a 5-year-old: don't put your hand in fire.
Don't put your hand on that and then slide it into the fire, because that's really bad. Warning! The lava rocks might be hot.
Of course. And then finally we've got Durex Lightcrete's cylindrical concrete planters. They're not super heavy. Of course, these are filled with soil and a couple volunteers from the garden. But they look beautiful with this set. Here's the 15-inch and the one before. We got a little stevia growing in there and a zinnia, a couple zinnia volunteers. And then we got a zinnia volunteer over there. So all of this is from Home Depot, except for those 2 kids, and they love Home Depot. So.
One of those plants even are going like a bridge.
Yeah, stevia grows kind of lanky and weird.
And also, this is perfect for roasting marshmallows. So, get your marshmallows out and get your marshmallows out. Get your graham crackers out. Get your chocolate out. Get your kids out to roast some marshmallows. And don't forget the marshmallow sticks, okay, parents? Make sure I'm counting on ya. And make sure it's nighttime so they don't see anything. And they see everything. And tell us about how your kids react.
Hey, thanks for spending time with us. These kids were in bed a little bit ago, but they got all excited about this.
Can I tell you something?
Oh, another thing. One more thing.
This is perfect for winter. I made my own square
You made a square pool in your bed?
Yeah, it's a nighttime pool in my bed.
I am super concerned. I'm going to go make sure we don't have swimming pools in beds tonight.
This is perfect for winter. Make sure your kids go by this winter and make sure they don't go too close to the fire. Just like more than arm length to the fire.
All true. All right. We'll catch you next time. Thank you.
Anytime.